Hello, and welcome back to our channel. This is the Enumahs platform. That's John and Josephine, and occasionally you get to see our kids. Welcome back. We love you with the love of God. If you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Make sure you click on that subscribe button and make sure to click on the bell. So many of you have been asking me for so long, Mama, Apostle is always talking about this your cooking recipes. When are they gonna launch? So today I'm doing a little bit of cooking, so I thought let me record a little bit just for you guys, just for you that want to know what I get up to outside of ministry.
Are you excited? I'm excited as a full video will be premiering tomorrow, so go to the Enumahs and subscribe right now.